Evening everybody, it's Mikey from Usually Broken Cars. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a review and I got sent this. So this is a company called One Car Stereo and they have sent me the AI Box Elite. And what this does is it turns your wired Android or Callum? Apple, thank you. So it turns your wireless Android Auto or Apple Auto into a wireless and also gives you a lot more features. So we're going to do a very quick unboxing and then we're going to get into the video. We've got Callum's lovely Audi over there. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in and we're going to see what extra features this has got. So let's see what we've got in the box. So, to be fair, it's a nicely presented box, very small operating manual. And inside the box, there is our unit, which has got like an SD reader and a USB-C inside. And we've got a couple of leads. So we've got a C to C and a to C. So let's get it plugged into the car and see what happens when we fire it up. So Callum's got it. Basically, it's that tiny, tiny little unit there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna plug into the box, into the Audi now. Callum's already got
I've already got a cable plugged in, so I can just plug my phone straight in.
Cool.
So literally, hopefully, just replace it directly with that and see if it works.
Let's get it in.
Go to the other side.
Yeah. Okay, so on the Audi, he's hidden down there. So I'm going to run around the other side. Plug the unit in. I don't think you have to turn anything on. We've got lights on the back of the unit, and hang on, straight up we've got that.
Yeah, so that's something new that's never come up before, so I suppose let's just go ahead and see what it does. I'm guessing now we wait. Restart screen to calibration. So I'm guessing we just wait for that to load up again. There we go, Apple Carplay.
Whoa,
Smart.
fancy. To be fair, it looks fancy.
Yeah, it actually looks quite factory finish actually.
Yeah. I'm guessing maybe first time it
Might take a bit longer.
powers up, it has to take a bit longer. Now, obviously, you'll know the difference. I won't.
Yeah.
How does this compare to what it looks like normally?
It is quite different actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. If I'm brutally honest, it doesn't quite look as user-friendly right now.
Okay.
But obviously, it's the first time using it, so actually...
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's already connected to my phone. So let's see. Oh, that. Okay, so you have to use the mouse.
How bizarre. Okay. So can you, like, for example, do your steering wheel controls and stuff do anything?
That's still using the radio, so
Yep.
let's see. So I'm assuming maybe got to load up. Let's see, my phone is already paired via Bluetooth, so I don't know whether we've got to do it again through the box.
Okay. So after a bit of fiddling around, Callum has now found on his phone
Smart AI box.
Yep.
So we pair
Pair.
that.
It's probably going to come up.
Don't have contacts. Yeah, might as well.
Okay, Bluetooth is now connected. So the music that was playing previously was off
just
of
the radio.
just straight up radio, which is started playing again. But now that it's paired, hopefully we'll be able to jump onto Callum's Spotify or something like that. It's taken a little while to pair.
Yeah, it's odd they said it paired on there straight away, but it's still waiting on here.
Okay.
Yeah, Smart AI box now connected.
Okay, so we are now connected to it.
So I must wonder if that switches to go to the normal CarPlay just for comparison.
Okay, so that goes back to your main media.
Main
okay.
menu. Okay.
So
where is just Spotify? Because it
okay, so then you've got all apps. Okay.
So these are the pre-installed apps.
So you've got Spotify at the bottom. You've got Play Store, YouTube.
So let's see if this automatically loads to my Spotify. Okay. So I've got to log in.
Have you now got to potentially set up your phone as a hotspot?
Possibly. That seems a bit odd.
It does.
Because normal CarPlay, literally you plug it in and then
off it goes. Yeah. Okay.
So I wonder if there's anything else. I wonder. Let's just open up my phone on Spotify and just see if I can start playing. So.
Oh, okay.
Nothing.
So can you choose a device on there? Is that
so it's...
Hang on there. So Callum's just selected Spotify on his phone.
And nothing's currently coming through.
Okay, so we're still on the radio on the car.
Yeah.
If you're enjoying watching this video, there's a few things that you can do to help me out. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the notifications icon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now, back to the video. Oh.
That's my normal.
This is your conventional.
Yeah.
So I wonder if that's what. Is that what you just clicked on then?
I think so.
Okay.
So but obviously, before I always had to have my phone plugged in to get this screen up.
Okay, so we are winning at the moment,
which is quite nice because as I say, I'm used to this interface, so it's quite nice actually that you potentially have two
options. Yeah.
So if I go back, so it's just on normal CarPlay but wireless, which is actually probably more what I wanted.
Okay.
But
I want to watch Netflix while we're driving.
Yeah, but where's the other apps now? Unless it might be under car.
That's what I was just thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So
you use car and Speedplay to swap between the two variants. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. So it's taken a little bit getting used to. So then let's try. So now if you go to Spotify, so go to your apps.
Yeah. And see if that's automatically logged me in, or I've got to sign in. No.
No. Okay. So you'd have to sign in on here. What about any of the others? So.
Sorry, I'm gonna say that's working now.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's cool. To be fair, we'll have to turn the music off because otherwise we'll get demonetised. I forgot about that.
File Explorer.
Okay. So.
Okay. So depends how you want your music to play, I'm guessing.
Yeah. Or if maybe you want to look at pictures or watch videos.
Yeah.
So Bluetooth music.
Okay. So just connects. So I'm guessing that's up there.
What's IPTV Smart?
Guessing.
Oh, okay. Oh,
okay. So it drags it to there.
So maybe these are like your recently used apps then?
It's a possibility.
Yeah. Okay. I'll cut this bit of scroll. I'm gonna let you scroll. As in with the mouse, is it dragged down at all? No. Okay.
It's not even letting me go back.
Oh, okay. That's frustrating. That's really frustrating. Okay. So we've tried to use one of the apps and it's actually locked.
Oh. There we go. So I can't seem to accept the terms on this, and I can't go back either.
So what other button have you got the potential to use? And obviously your screen isn't touchscreen at all, is it?
No.
Okay, now come out of it. Because at the moment this is...
There we go.
It's running like an Android box. Okay. Go to all apps. Just maybe try another one.
Yeah. So I'm intrigued to know what car... So that goes back to the main menu as well. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Fine. So it needs connection to internet, but I thought that it would have just picked up.
I must admit, I thought it would have just worked straight off of it.
You mentioned there's screen mirroring as well.
I'm guessing that's maybe Easy Connect. Carbit link.
Got to download a separate app.
That's okay.
It seems like there's a lot of functionality where you can't.
Yeah.
Doesn't just automatically connect to my phone.
So are you able to do a Wi-Fi hotspot on this then?
It's a possibility. Let's have a look. So put my hotspot on.
Go to settings.
Go to Wi-Fi.
So Wi-Fi is currently turned off anyway. So I wonder if...
It's got to use the mouse again. I wonder how this works in certain cars that doesn't have a mouse pad.
I would expect potentially you need to have a touch screen for it to work.
Possibly.
Callum and I spent about 15 minutes trying to get the Wi-Fi to actually connect, but every time we clicked on a Wi-Fi source, it just kept backing us out of the menu. There was no way to progress. AI Box Elite.
I was a little bit disappointed. If I'm
honest, I was quite disappointed. I expected a lot more. When we first booted it up, it took a while to get going, and then once it opened up, nice interface, looks great, but actually it doesn't really let you do a lot. I think One Car Stereo have let us down a little bit with this. I don't know if it's more aimed at people that have got a touchscreen.
It's a possibility.
But this is a 30 grand car that has got Audi MMI. It's a very up-to-date, multimedia system. And once it plugged in, it worked great as a wireless.
It did. Yeah. I say, as soon as the fact it still kept the functionality of the original sort of Apple CarPlay is fantastic. And actually, if you just want to replace not having a lead to going wireless, great. But actually,
it's an expensive way to do that, though.
It is.
You can get wireless adapters for like £30. This is £150. We will do another video on this. Callum's going to keep the unit. He's going to do some playing with it, and we're also going to message One Car Stereo and just see what their thoughts are with it. If it doesn't work on, how old is the vehicle?
2018.
So it's not an old car. If it doesn't work on a 2018 Audi, then there's something majorly wrong with this. You should be working on a car like that. So, I'm disappointed.
Yeah.
It's a shame. Thank you, One Car Stereo, for sending it. We will keep playing with it, but at the moment, we're a bit disappointed. So, see everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.